Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma Professional. To begin, open Figma and either start a new design file or import an existing project. It is crucial to organize your work into distinct projects, which greatly simplifies team collaboration and file management. Familiarize yourself with the main interface elements: the expansive canvas, the layers panel on the left, and the properties panel on the right. These three areas are your primary tools for efficient design work, allowing you to manipulate elements and adjust their attributes with ease. Figma Professional excels in real-time collaboration, allowing multiple team members to work simultaneously on a single design file. This feature significantly boosts productivity and ensures everyone is always working on the most current version. You can easily track all modifications and revert to any previous iteration using the comprehensive version history. Furthermore, leverage powerful features such as reusable components, consistent styles, and a vast array of plugins to streamline your workflow and maintain design consistency across all your projects. These tools are essential for professional design teams. Establishing a robust design system is a cornerstone of professional design in Figma. This involves creating shared components and styles that ensure consistency across all your projects, saving countless hours. Beyond static designs, Figma allows you to build interactive prototypes that accurately simulate user flows and test user experiences. You can easily connect screens and add animations to bring your designs to life. Sharing these prototypes with stakeholders for feedback and conducting user testing sessions is straightforward, providing invaluable insights for refinement. To truly master Figma Professional, focus on advanced workflow techniques. Mastering keyboard shortcuts can dramatically accelerate your design process, saving you precious minutes on every task. Utilize auto layout to create responsive designs that effortlessly adapt across various screen sizes, from mobile phones to large desktop displays. This ensures your designs are flexible and future-proof. Finally, integrate Figma with other essential tools in your design stack to establish a seamless, end-to-end workflow, enhancing overall efficiency and collaboration within your team. These practices elevate your design capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.